This is Mii Channel and it's the last beat of bar 15 and just that little tricky bit hands together. So you've got 2 on A sharp and then the left hand is 2 on C sharp and 5 on F double sharp, which is actually a G. So it's really important that these go in pairs, okay? So you have to get the fingers right. Left hand, 5 on G, 2 on C sharp. And you hold on to that until you can, in your left hand, you play 4 on the G sharp and thumb on the D, and then come off. Your left hand 4 hops up to A sharp, and you've got 4 on C sharp in the right and thumb on F double sharp again, which is the G. These fingers are really important because you've got to join this one to the next one. Then left hand 2 on D, right hand has to move and come up to thumb on B, 4 on F sharp, and then left hand thumb on G, right hand's got a bit of a stretch there, 5 on A, 2 on C sharp. Okay, I'll play that one more time.